Hello everyone, I'm Prem Kumar. Welcome to Vertex Math JEE. Today onwards, we are going to discuss the JEE Advanced questions for 2026 students. So weekly 2 or 3 videos is available in Vertex Math JEE. So today we are going to discuss the function chapter JEE Advanced questions. So here you can learn step-by-step ideas how to solve the JEE Advanced questions for 2026. Okay, let us discuss the first question. Function from closed interval 0 to 1 to real number. F of x is given to you 4 power x divided by 4 power x plus 2. Then what is the value of this one? You can see here what you can do. So very simple. Here 1 is there, numerator. Then you can see the last term before is 39 is there. So 39 is odd term. You can see here the first term and last term before. What is the relation? You have to check first. You can see f of 1 by 40. Consider this is your x. You check f of 1 minus 1 by 40. What will get? F of 40 minus 1, 39 by 40. Therefore, we can find the relation f of x plus f of 1 minus x. You have to find out what is f of x plus f of 1 minus x, right? So let's see here. What is f of x? 4 power x divided by 4 power x plus 2 plus f of 1 minus x. Just replace x by 1 minus x. That is 4 power 1 minus x divided by 4 power 1 minus x, right? Plus 2. Now you can simplify this one. Then how to write 4 power x divided by 4 power x plus 2 plus, this is exponential power, 4 power 1, 4 power minus x is there. Then you can write 1 by 4 power x divided by, here also 4 by, correct? I hope everyone understand, right? 4 into 4 power minus x, right? 4 by 4 power x we can write. The denominator also 4 by 4 power x plus 2 you can write. Now you can take the LCM and you can simplify this. What will get? So 4 power x divided by 4 power x plus 2 plus, you can see the first term, numerator is what? 4 by 4 power x. Denominator you can see, you take the LCM, 4 plus 2 into 4 power x. 4 plus 2 into 4 power x divided by 4 power x. Clear? This step understood? 4 plus 2 into 4 power x. This 4 power x cancel. Then you can write 4 power x divided by 4 power x plus 2 plus 4 divided by 4 plus, which is common here. If you take a 2 common, you can see what is left. 2 plus 4 power x is there, right? So 1 time here, 2 times. Therefore, 4 power x divided by 4 power x plus 2 divided by 4 power x plus 2. You can add this. This is f of x plus f of 1 minus x. So you take the LCM 4 power x plus 2, numerator also 4 power x plus 2. This will be cancelled, you'll get 1. So we found the relation f of x plus f of 1 minus x equal to 1. So you can see 39 term is there. I'll teach you some idea how to find the pairs. So 39 by 2, what is that? 19.5. So 19 pair is possible. The next term is what? 19.5. Next term is 20. The 20 by 40 is the extra term. Clear? So now you can see the first term is 1 by 40. Compare with the last term 39 by 40. So that is going to be 1. F of x, f of 1 minus x, that form. Then so on. What is the last pair? So there are 19 pairs possible. So the last pairs would be f of, so 1 by 19 plus extra term is what actually? Extra term is f of 20 by 40. That means this will be 21 by, so this is, what is that? 1, so 19 by 40. Sorry, this is 19 by 40. This is 21 by 40. This is the last pair. So totally how many pairs possible? 19 pairs possible. So then extra term is what actually? F of 20 by 40. If you simplify, this is 0. 1 times here 2 times. This is f of 1 by 40 plus f of, better you can write directly. So f of 1 by 40, f of 39 by 1 pairs up to f of 19 by 40, f of 21 by 40. So totally 19 pair is possible because 39 divided by 2, 19.5. So 19 is the number of pairs. The next term is the extra term. Suppose even number of term is there. For example, if it is 50, 50 by 2, 25. So 25 pair is possible. There is no extra term. I hope everyone understand. Here, each term is what? F of x plus f of 1 minus x is 1. This is 1. 1 plus 1 plus, how many term is there? 19 pair is there. Each pair is 1. So 19 times plus f of 1 by 2. You know the given question, you can see minus f of 1 by 2 is there. Extra 1 term is right. F of minus f of 1 by 2. So this will be cancelled. So therefore, complete answer is 19. I hope everyone understand. We'll go to the next question. You can see here, the function from open interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 to real number. F of x is given to you log of secant x plus tan x whole cube. The first one is, what is the odd function? The odd function is, what is the geometrical meaning? Symmetrical about the origin. What is even function? The symmetrical about the y-axis, right? For example, x square is there. Whatever the right side portion is there, it will be reflected with respect to y-axis. What about 1 function? Geometrical meaning, if the function is defined on certain interval, the function is completely increasing or decreasing, then it is 1 function. So why we are telling that? Distinct element has distinct image. For example, if you take x square graph, so you can see if you draw a horizontal line, it crosses more than 1 point. It is not 1 functions, because if you put 1 and minus 1 to different input, the output would be 1. So it is not 1. The reason is the function certain interval, the whole domain you take real number, f of x equal to x square. Certain interval increasing, certain interval decreasing. If certain interval, that means in the particular domain, it's completely increasing or completely decreasing, then only you can say it's a increasing. So means you can draw horizontal line, it crosses 1 point. Decreasing also, if you draw horizontal line, it hit the graph 1 point, at most 1 point. That's why we are telling that if the function is 1, 1, you can see the graphically, the first derivative of the function is strictly greater than 0 or greater than 0, greater than or equal to 0. It's increasing, strictly means strictly greater than 0, right? Or f dash of x is for example, f of x is the given function, f dash of x, if we do it, less than 0 means it's decreasing. So therefore, the 1, 1, how to describe? The complete interval, the domain, the function is completely increasing or decreasing. We'll check it for one by one. On to function, how to check? Very simple. If you take a domain and codomain, any element pick from the codomain, you can find the pre-image. If there is no element from the codomain as a pre-image means it's not onto. That means codomain is equal to range. That is the onto functions, right? First, onto function, we need to find the range of this function. Let us take one by one. F of x, what is given to you? Log of secant x plus tan x whole cube. What is odd functions? If you replace x by minus x, so you will get minus f of x, right? You have to replace x by minus x. What will get? Log of secant of minus x plus tan of minus x whole cube, right? What will get? Just you can see here the log of secant minus x. So minus x is lies in the fourth quadrant, secant will be positive, therefore secant x, okay? Tan of minus x. You can see here tan is what actually minus x is lies in the fourth quadrant, tan will be negative, therefore minus tan x. Understood? Okay, this is f of minus x, right? Now, how to check the f of minus x equal to minus f of x or f of x? How to check? You can see, so further how to simplify this? Secant x minus tan x is there. You multiply secant x plus tan x and divide by secant x plus tan x, right? Because you know that secant square x minus tan square x is 1, right? This is whole cube. Then what will get? Log of secant square x minus tan square x whole divided by secant x plus tan x. I hope everyone understand, right? Then we'll take the another page. So f of minus x equal to, so log of 1 by secant x plus tan x will be there, because secant square x minus tan square x is 1, right? Okay, whole cube. Then how to rewrite this? Log of secant x plus tan x whole inverse we can write. Understood? Okay, whole inverse we can write now. So you can use the logarithmic property. Then how to write? So log x to the power n, how to write? N times log x you can write. So minus log of secant x plus tan x, right? Whole cube. This is odd power. So minus 1 to the power 3 is again minus only. Minus log of secant x plus tan x whole cube. This is minus f of x. I hope everyone understand. F of minus x equal to minus f of x. Therefore, it's odd function. So it's symmetrical about the origins, right? So therefore, the first option is correct and even function is wrong, because even function means what? F of minus x equal to f of x. But it is not possible. Okay, let me check the second and third option. You can see here. So what is that? F of x, tell me, log of secant x plus tan x whole cube, right? Okay, fine. Is it correct once you check the question? Log of secant x plus tan x whole cube. How to check the 1, 1? First, you have to check this function is increasing or decreasing in the interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, right? Let us take g of x. What is that? Secant x plus tan x you can take. So g dash of x you find out secant x differentiation, secant x, tan x differentiation, secant square x, right? This is secant x if you take common, secant x plus tan x, right? Clear? This is g dash of x. For all x belongs to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. You can see secant x in this interval, it is above x-axis. You can see the secant x plus tan x. This is also above x-axis. That means, you know, the positive. This is completely positive. So therefore, we can say that g dash of x. Otherwise, you can check one thing. Minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Any value can take. Any value take between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. You substitute here. It is right side is completely greater than 0. Therefore, g dash of x is greater than 0 for all x belongs to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. You can see here the g secant x plus tan x. You're applying, this is increasing function. You are applying log. That means one more function apply. That is composition of the increasing function. You already know that is increasing functions, right? G is increasing. So therefore, log of g of x. You already know that g increasing, the cube also increasing, and then the composition of increasing function is increasing. Composition of increasing function is increasing. Therefore, so it's completely increasing for all x belongs to minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Therefore, this function is 1, 1 as well. I hope everyone understand. Therefore, this option is also correct. Now check the f is onto functions or not. How to check it? You can see here, g of x we are considering secant x plus tan x. First, let us simplify this. Secant x, how to write? 1 by cos x plus sin x by cos x we can write. This is 1 plus sin x divided by cos x you can write. I had to convert into standard form to find the range of this function. So what we can do, you can see the cos 90 plus theta is minus sin theta, right? So we can write like this. You can see 1 minus cos pi by 2 plus x we can write. Understood? Because 90 plus theta lies in the second quadrant, cos is negative, right? Okay, fine. Cos, so pi by 2 plus x we can write. Because sin 90 plus theta lies in the second quadrant sign is positive. Therefore, cos x we can write. Its odd multiple is there, sign changes to cos. So you already know that 1 minus cos theta is equal to 2 sin square theta by 2. The same way, sin theta is equal to 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. You already know these things, right? Now you can apply what will get 2 sin square. So theta here is what? Pi by 2 plus x. So divided by 2, pi by 4 plus x by 2 whole divided by sin theta. Theta here is pi by 2 plus x. That means 2 sin theta by 2. That is pi by 4 plus x by 2 into cos pi by 4 plus x by 2 you can write. So 2 cancel, 1 sign will be cancelled. This is tan of pi by 4 plus x by 2 you can write. Therefore, what is f of x is given to you? Log of secant x plus tan x whole cube. So g of x we consider actually secant x plus tan x, right? That is only enough we consider, right? This is same as what? Tan of pi by 4 plus x by 2. First, let us find the range of tan of pi by 4 plus x by 2. Where the x values lies. So open interval minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. So we need x by 2, you divide by 2, minus pi by 4 to x by 2 less than plus pi by 4. Now we need to add plus pi by 4, add plus pi by 4, 0 less than pi by 4 plus x by 2 is less than. So pi by 4 plus pi by 4, 2 pi by 4. So 1 pi by 2, you cancel it, pi by 2 get. So therefore, pi by 4 plus x by 2 is belongs to 0 to pi by 2, right? So when you apply the tan, so tan 0, 0, tan pi by 2 is infinite. So therefore, tan of pi by 4 plus x by 2, what is that? Is belongs to 0 to infinity. Tan 0 is 0, tan pi by 2, it goes to infinity, right? Now we can apply the log of something. Log of pi by 4 plus x by 2. This is log, you can apply log 0 is infinity and log infinity is also, it's infinity only, it's go. It's a real number. So the tan of something is there, that is goes to 0 to infinity. When you apply the log is increasing functions, right? So in this interval, so log of this thing should be is goes to minus infinity to plus infinity. Cube on that is also the log of secant x plus tan x whole cube also belongs to real number. So what is range is given to you? The function from open interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 to real number. The range here is real number. It is same as the codomain. Therefore, this function is completely onto as well. I hope everyone understand, right? Therefore, this function is onto. The first 3 option is exactly correct. The last option is not correct. So if you want these kind of explanation for coming 2026 advanced question, you can subscribe my channel and share to your friends. So thank you everyone.